Friends, my name is Veer and welcome back to my channel Dynamic Veer. I'm back with a new video. So, recently the OnePlus Nord 2 5G was released. So, I'm going to unbox this. This is my first ever attempt on doing this. So, let's check this out. This is the OnePlus Nord 2 5G. First, let's check out the box. It has this reflective finish over the box and it's covered with the Nord branding all over. On the side, we get the signature blue color of the OnePlus Nord, and we also get the OnePlus branding and the OnePlus Nord 2 5G logo over here. Everything, all the details of the phone are written on the back. So we have the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage model. So let's start the unboxing. So let's start the unboxing with my Swiss knife. It is very dangerous, so let's be careful. So here we go. This is the unboxing. So now I'm opening it. There we go. So let's just go in here. So packaging is pretty nice. The plastic comes off easily. So this is the box. It's a good box actually. So now this is the phone here. So wow, this is really cool. So this is the phone, but I'll come back to that later. So what we get here is the instruction manual. First of all, this is the case of the OnePlus Nord 2, which is pretty good. It has some texture over here. So they have not just kept it plain. So it comes with the blue branded cards over here. It's warranty and that all things. It also comes with the OnePlus Nord 2 stickers, OnePlus Nord stickers, if you're into that. So, and the surprising thing is it comes with the 65 watt for charging with this phone, which is 10 watt into 6.5 ampere max charging for WAP 65, and it comes with a pretty standard cable, USB A to USB C. So this is the cable. Let me open it. So, and just to clarify again, this is the 12GB 256 model, but the unboxing experience will not change. So we are done with the box. Let's just go on to the more important thing, the phone. So we have to unbox it. It looks pretty cool, and there we go. This is the phone. This is the blue model. This has a glass back, surprisingly. The 50 megapixel main camera and the 65 watt fast charging is the main thing. It comes with an inbuilt screen protector, but we'll leave it that way. It has a dual speaker setup, I believe. So, and it also has the alert slider. It was compromised on the OnePlus Nord CE. So here we have the SIM tray, a USB-C thing. So this is the phone, which is really cool. And here is the case, how it looks on this particular phone. So this is the case. So let's start this phone. This is the phone is booting up. It has Android 11 and it has Oxygen OS, but recently OnePlus and Oppo are collaborating and merging. So people are saying it has some remnants of the Color OS of Oppo. So this is it is booting up. So this has Oxygen OS 11.3. This is the setup. Okay, one second. Okay, so I'm keeping it English, United States. I'm starting. So there are agreements, so we should be careful. So for now I'm skipping the SIM card part. I'm connecting to my Wi-Fi. One second, it is connecting. It might take a few minutes to do this. It's checking for updates automatically, and the cool thing is that this phone has an NFC in it, which is also pretty cool. So it has this camera cutout over here. So it does not so it has a glass back, which is really uncommon on these kind of phones. Mostly they have plastic. And the inbuilt case is pretty decent. Setting up my fingerprint. Yes, so for now I'm skipping the face thing, so it had an in-display fingerprint sensor. Now this is the font and display size. I'm setting it for I'm just setting it for default. I'm applying it. So right now I'm keeping this normal back home recent wala. So this is the new phone. This is the software and it is getting ready. And wow, so this is a really good software. It's from OnePlus. Okay. So it is already giving some notifications. So now I'm showing the okay, so this is the new settings, updated settings. This is the phone. It has Android version 11. So let me just check out the Easter egg which is there. This is the Android 11 Easter egg, if you didn't know. So this is the Easter egg. It runs pretty smooth. It has a 90 Hz display, which is pretty cool. So we can set face scan also on this. Yes, let's keep fast overall. Let's check out the camera for now. Okay, so we have to, okay, so for now, okay, so this is the main 50 megapixel camera. I'll give more details on it later. So now it has an AI option, and there's a pro mode, ultra resolution mode. It also has a portrait mode, and night mode also is there. So another thing that OnePlus marketed in its launch video was the dual view video capability. So I'm going to show you how this feature works. So in order to activate the dual view mode, we have to go into more. Then we have to go into the dual view video option, and then we can take some dual view video here. Hello, it is me, Veer. This is how it looks. Hello, it is me, Veer. So these kind of videos can be taken with this feature. So it's a really good feature, and with that we can also, on the back camera, we can take 2x and 3x and 5x. We can increase the zoom, but still, so it's a good feature included by OnePlus, and which was also shown on the OnePlus event. So overall pretty good. Now I'll be telling you whatever the speakers. There are dual speakers, one at the bottom here and one in the top. There's a speaker fit into the bezels. So this is a speaker test. So here, this is a video of me a few years ago. It's a pretty loud speaker overall, so it's a good phone overall, so I liked it pretty much. So this was the phone. Thank you friends, I hope you like this video. And ironically, this video which you are seeing right now, the outro is filmed on the OnePlus Nord 2. So I hope you like my video. Subscribe, like, and you can tell what are the things that I can make a video on. Bye bye. Subscribe.